evening. This is the video of LCD prototype with the circuit on PCB, and we have total of 8 output wires including the 5 volts and ground. So we have here different colored wires, and we can place them anywhere as long as we know how to code it. So I'll just run this simple code: 12 11 5 4 3 2. So from here, this must be 12 11, the violet is 5 4 3, then 2. Green and black are 5 volts and ground. Again, so this is 12 11, this must be 5, this must be 4, this must be 3, this must be 2. So that's 12 11 5 4 3 2. Or you can change the pins if you want. So let's say I'll use 7 and 6. So this must be 7, and this white one must be 7, the gray one must be 6, so that they are together. Then I'll just edit the code. 7 and 6. So this is a very easy prototype. You can use it on right off the bat. Just have these wires, and we all know this is the highest number, this is the lowest number. So from the highest to the lowest, which is how we, or it's also how we code it, from the highest to the lowest. So let's power this up. And then we'll be uploading this one. And there it is, it's working. This is your controller of contrast. So you don't need anything, and just have this sketch on the Arduino IDE. Actually, you can print more. So this is 20 by 4. I'll have let's say last column LCD that set cursor. Let's say this is 03. This is the 0 0 0 1 0 2 and 03. So let's say I'll print here shop name, I need some, this one, and let me so you can see it works like magic. See what happened. PC Electronics, LCD.print, PC Electronics 01. Okay, so this one is this. Okay, so I got the code wrong. This one has a space. So thank you.